Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. And yeah, today I'm just gonna show a very quick error that I have been working on before, and hopefully it can help you that when you get this issue. So the problem is, so I have a form here that I need to provide my details, and what is happening is I'm gonna select type in an address. And once I select my address, it doesn't validate. It doesn't give me that confirm my details. And I have the object here which show the form. It still show that the address is empty. And in the form value, I can look at the address. It said that it's updating with this address. However, I could not confirm my details. But the issue is when I hit clear, which means that I did I did not put the address, which and so in that case I did not meet the requirement. But now I can hit confirm my details. And if I look at the form value here, I don't have the error, but here my address object is empty and it should not be. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is going to show you how this happened and how I would fix it, and it's related to Formik. So this form is created with Formik. So if we jump to the code over here, we have the two function, which is the first one is a reset address, which is when you click the clear button, and the Formik has a setFieldValue function. It would set the address and it would grab an empty address, and it set another field, selected address, and put it empty. And when I select it, it does similar things. Now, what happening is when the address, which is this field here, it has a validation on it to be required. So if you see here on the error, like I will quickly to put the address back in again. So you can see that the error message is address line one is required, or CD is required, postcode is required. So it has validation. However, with selected address, it does not have any validation. So the issue is when the set field value is running, and with the and because this one has the validation, it gets through. But when it comes to this second set field value, which you can see here, it does not pick up the value that we put on this one. So that is the reason why this one, when this one get called, it's going to make the function not working as the address here is still empty or invalid. So how we're gonna fix it is there's two ways of fixing it. So the first way, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to switch them up. So what happened with this is, so if this one has no validation, it goes first, and then if this one has validation, it goes second. Then the second validation will validate that this one is all good, so it will not show any error. So that's what I'm gonna do. So first, I'm gonna just switch those line up, and I'm gonna save it. And now I'm gonna rerun this. So I'm empty cache, I'm hard reload. I'm gonna set it up a little bit. So right, I confirm my details, hit this one, and the component name, which it takes a while to figure out. So I'm just gonna type it in, look at it, find the form. So yeah, I'm in the same situation, the same error, the form value, and I can see the address is empty, which is here, address is empty. Now I just type in any address, and pretty much it works. The form is updated, and the error disappear. Now if I hit clear, the form updates again, the error come back, and on here, my address object is empty. Okay, so that's the first way of fixing it. Now I'm gonna put the error back and I'm gonna show you the second way, which is very simple as well. So I am going to put them back. So I'm just switching the value, switching them again. And now, so if I know that this one is going to have validation and it already validate, and this one doesn't have any validation, I can just make this one not validating. So you can see it's when the set field value, it has a field value, and the next one should validate. And in this one, I would go for false. And the same thing on select address. So I'll make it false and I'll save it. I'll rerun it. I mean, yeah, I didn't show it doesn't work, but you just assume that it doesn't work when I switch back. So confirm my details. Not able. Now I'm doing the same thing. So I'm just gonna search for the component here. Then, yep, I see the error. I also see the value, which doesn't have my address. So, and yep. So now as I put it in, I can confirm my details. Here it shows my address that is in the form value, and also the error disappear. Now if I cleared it, the error come back and the address is empty. So that's pretty much everything for how that error happens and how you can fix the error with form value in set field value in Formik not getting not updating from your validation. So yeah, thank you, and I hope this is helpful, and good luck.